Hi, and welcome to the kitchen of Lindy Says. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful savory sausage gravy, perfect for biscuits and gravy. We're going to take some very simple ingredients to embellish the normal floury, watery, milky sausage gravy. Start by browning your gravy. How about your sausage? Once it's been browned, go ahead and add some butter to it. Let that melt, and then we're going to start adding our flour. We're going to add flour little by little, and we're going to make sure that we stir it in really well after each application. Adding just a little bit more and stirring it in each time. Get that meat really well coated. Then we're going to start adding our milk. It's best with 100% whole milk. Just add the milk slowly. Start with about half the amount. Once you can see the bottom of the pan, go ahead and add some more, letting each one thicken as it goes until you have the thickness you want. At that point in time, add your spices. This is what makes it a really savory gravy. Stir it in. Continue to stir and taste and watch how thick it is. And once it's ready, put it on some biscuits and bon appetit.